I moved to New York City 7 years ago, and the first thing I noticed was just by walking at my own pace, people looked at me like I was crazy or a tourist. I felt like Simba in the gazelle stampede, just trying to avoid being trampled, so I started walking as fast as everyone else, which was a mistake. That took me years to correct. We copy other people's rhythm because we don't want to stand out, to look slow or stupid in a world that equates quickness with competence. When we do try to slow down, we end up feeling disconnected, like a musician who fell out of sync with the orchestra. But think instead in terms of harmonizing. The world can tremble at a treble, but you can slap at a bass, man. And the bass is just your bass line. You can go wicked quick when you want to. And the key is to see that disconnect you feel when you slow down doesn't come from being slow. It comes from your judgment and tension around your own slowness. If you're self-conscious about slowing down, the tension you're telegraphing about that will be what disconnects you from the world. And while tension is inevitable as you shift gears in a culture that tells you to keep it moving, your judgment isn't. You've got to give yourself a minute to slow down and relax into the slowness. Try it now. The second you give yourself permission to feel relaxed in your body about being slow is the second you find flow. The second key is paying attention. You'll only feel and be out of sync if you're not balancing your awareness of your own internal rhythm with what's happening around you. But if you are, you'll know when to move, when to speak, when to temporarily speed things up. Just look at Luka Doncic. Oh wait, sorry, I forgot. Plodding along at an awkwardly slow pace, famous for his ability to decelerate in the crazy speed of an NBA game, creating his own rhythm and shifting the tempo of everyone around him as he exudes self-mastery as expressed on the level of purposeful pace. He knows it's not a race. He's bearing in mind the tale of the tortoise and the hare. So remember the two keys. Relax into the slowness, and you'll find flow. And pay attention from that place, and you'll stay in time with the world in your own way, without needing to speed up or rush. Except when you choose to.